over.
Make sure you
I'm
guys
gonna come
subscribe.
find you. Let's go.
If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification so you guys can see our beautiful faces.
We just hit 70 followers, so we're a little bit happy.
Yes, thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you guys are already subscribed, thank you guys. We really appreciate it. But
for real. Comment in the section, we'll give you a shout out as well.
Yes, comment
Let's do this.
below. Start off with taking a shot. We gotta get lit making this, right, babe? Oh, okay. Anyways, this is we're gonna get lit.
Ready?
Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Let's hit it cracking. Okay, so today we are making
some pizza, but not any kind of not any kind of pizza.
What?
We are making candy pizza! Let's go!
Yes, candy pizza. We're gonna make some candy pizza.
I know y'all ain't never heard of it. I know y'all ain't never seen it. So we're gonna be the first to show it, baby.
Yes.
Let's do
We're
it.
gonna get this started, but first we need to wash our hands. What we're doing? We gotta wash our hands, okay?
You right.
Let's start that off. And then we're gonna have some hand sanitizer because this COVID stuff, you know, it's not playing.
It ain't no joke.
So we're gonna start washing our hands.
Hand sanitizer's next.
You know, we gotta keep it clean, making this pizza. First, we started off with some flour.
Yep, every girl loves some flour, huh?
No, not that type of flour,
Okay,
but we talking about
good dandelions in there. Okay.
Okay, dandelions, that's cute. Okay, so we're gonna have some flour, and then we started with sugar cookies. We didn't get the regular pizza dough, so we just mixed it. You know, it's like candy pizza. It's like a dessert.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We didn't do the regular dough. We did the dough.
Dough. So
let's do it.
Sugar cookie dough.
Let's do it. So today we're gonna start off. What we gonna start off with, babe?
So right now, I think it's already set. We just already made it in a circle. We flattened it. We put it down, just like a pizza. So now the toppings is. Oh, we need the sauce. Duh.
What sauce?
So we're gonna either decide which sauce should we use.
We're not using this.
You don't want to use marinara?
Heck no.
I mean, it's kind of like
marinara with some sour gummy worms? What
Mix
the?
it up. Solid sweet.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
Okay. So we're gonna use cream cheese.
Cream cheese for the sauce.
That's a little bit better.
Cream cheese for the sauce. I wish I could dance, y'all. I'm about to start taking dancing lessons on these.
Oh, hit him. Oh. Yeah, we lit right now. We had some couple of shots and hey,
we feeling a little good.
We feeling good.
A little too good.
Alright, so butter knife, kids. Try this at home. Butter knife, so we're gonna do it the safe way, okay? Be careful.
So let's open up this cream cheese. Go ahead. This is also Philadelphia cream cheese, no artificial flavors or dyes.
Yes.
Get you a little scoop. Kind of looks like ice cream. Look at it. Huh?
Looks yummy. Makes you wanna.
All right, ready? What do we do? Just put it all over it?
Yes, we're just gonna make
right, you
put it all
this
over it.
I'm eating these for later.
No.
We're gonna bring it to the camera.
Alright, guys.
Alright, this is what it should look like after it's all said and done. Got the cream cheese all over, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of like the marinara sauce on a pizza. So, just put that slab down. One thing you could also use is icing. I might show another video of us using icing. But cream cheese is what we have right now, so that's what we're gonna use right now. Alright, so bear with us.
Still gonna taste bomb.
It's gonna be bomb, dog. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these bad boys out, slap them all over the place, then take these bad boys out, slap it all over that place, all right? And then for the topping, do a little bit more chocolate. Who likes chocolate? Everybody loves chocolate. Come on.
And then we're gonna sizzle over with some gummies.
Yeah, a little different. You know.
Indeed. So first we're gonna start opening up the Reese's. I'm gonna eat one so bad.
Don't eat one. Let's see if you can control yourself.
It's so hard. I don't want to eat them because I love Reese's.
When we put these in the oven, it's gonna like melt, right? And then we don't put the gummies until it comes out of the oven.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean?
That's what I make it. It's like this. It's like that.
Yeah, so.
Now we put the Reese's in the middle. You know what I mean? How many more you got? Oh,
so you just put them all over. I guess they only came with 5. I thought it came with more, but hey.
At least 6 probably.
Yeah, but hey, who cares? Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So now it's time for the Snickers part. Right here.
Oh my god, y'all! Like open up all this candy and so expensive.
You think it's Halloween again?
Right.
So look at this. How we're gonna do it? Just line them up. Like boom, boom, boom. Draw all that.
Show 'em, baby, show 'em. Ooh.
All right.
Alright. So, what's next? Should we use that?
What? Yeah. Put those on the house sticks.
Alright, so he's cleaning up the wrappers and the candy.
Alright. Go ahead, open it.
And then we're just gonna use regular plain chocolate on the pizza.
Little circle chocks. Little circle chocks. This is how it's gonna look after it's all said and done. So we're gonna slap it in the oven real quick. Wait for it to, marinate. And then once it's all done, we'll come back and we'll show you how it looks, all right?
Alright guys, so what he's doing, he's putting whipped cream back on top so it can look a little better and taste a little good, So we're not gonna put a lot, we're just gonna put like a little over it. Like we said, this is for dessert kids. This is not your main meal. This is a dessert candy pizza. We are back. We took it out the oven.
It's looking a little decent. It's looking a little decent.
Better,
Come on, Sean, ready?
Some gummy bears onto our candy pizza. Dazzle. Let me help you out. Shazzle, baby. Look. Do a little dazzle. Do it. There you go, baby. Come on there. Oh, looks so cute.
What kind of dough is that? Look.
It's our pizza, alright. Yeah, throw it up. Hey, Teddy, you want to catch one? Only one, baby.
Come on.
Oh, we got to show Teddy.
Come on, Teddy. Come on.
Want to say hi?
Come on. Up.
No.
Here. Come on, boy. Come on.
Teddy wants to say hi.
He's so scared of the floor.
Oh, yeah, here.
He does not like the floor.
Want some, baby? Look. Oh. Alright, guys. So, this is it. I think we're good right now.
Show still. Show him
Make sure, guys, this is good. So,
that's how it's looking.
I'm going to open it. Let's get it. Alright, guys. Now we're going to have to try it. And again, guys, you guys can make this at home. Y'all can do anything. Y'all can do switch up the candy, whatever sauce you would like on it. It looks like an actual pizza. It looks pretty good.
Try it, baby.
Here, you and me and you both. Cut on the pizza. What you say for just me trying? What the heck? Candy pizza. Ready?
Is it hot?
Alright, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's bomb. You like it? Y'all, this is really good. Like, it's really not bad. This is good. Alright, guys. This is it. This is good. Alright, guys.
Alright, guys. This was actually a nice little tasty thing. It wasn't too bad, actually. I thought it was going to come out kind of bad.
Yes.
Not bad at all. If you're really into sweets, if you're into like chocolate and candy and all that, this is for you.
Definitely is. So
stay tuned to our next video. We're going to be posting another video this week. So stay tuned. We're going to do something real spectacular.
Go ahead, babe. Look at him.
Let's do it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.
It's the J&L Show. It's the J&L Show.
Guys, later.
It's the J&L Show.
It's the J&L Show. Ooh, 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 ooh.